Yes. Good afternoon again. Just today's lesson is about transmitting technique with connecting with time. I discussed it before. Just first standard phraseology just has exactly rules how to transmit time, how to transmit the letters, and also just today's topic of discuss is how to transmit the time. Our discipline in English, but sometimes you should. Sometimes we discuss in Russian because you should know just in the Russian version of the transmitter. Okay, to transmit time, this is a little bit difference between Russian one and the English one. But in English, all numbers should be pronounced separately. For example, just time is 1528. Yeah? 1528. If you discuss is communication going on in the same time and during the 1 hour, but to pronounce the hours numbers is not necessary. Just shortly, just tell the minutes. Time now is 28 minutes. Estimating to ETA, estimated time to arrive to Tashkent, 28. It means so everyone knows what time hour, what time is now. Yes. This is why in the short way in English and it's in Russian also sometimes just telling this pronunciation is only minutes is enough. If time is 1528, you should also just say 28 is enough. But time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Eh? It should be transmitted as 0130. Time is 0130. Or just 30. Estimating Bukhara is 30. Time 2348. 2348. You may say also 48 if pilot and control knows what time is now. Just is necessary only minutes. You can say also minutes 48. So it depends on situation. For safety reason, if you are not sure, you may say just a full time. Time 2348. Okay. And there is a before just starting work or before just checking the radio check. Also, you can ask time. You coordinate the time. The pilot will ask controller just what's the correct time in order to check the watch. It's usually it's coordinated. This is going on with the delivery. This is the Tashkent delivery. It called with the Tashkent delivery Uzbek, for example, 411 request time check. This means the pilot want to check the proper working of the watch. I mean, in aircraft watch, the clock shows the correct time. Okay. So the answer for this request will be Uzbek 411 time 0611. Just tell the time, and the pilot should check this time with controller's watch and correct it. If it's okay, it's no problem. The corrections is time. What about seconds? Seconds, there's very difficult to say seconds because until you transmit your words, the watch not stop it, going. We cannot set, for example, the time is 0611 minutes and 15 seconds. Until you say 15 seconds, time will be 26, maybe 76. This is why this rules for it's rounded for half minute. The accuracy of the watch is a half minute. For example, I can say this 0611 and a half. If there is a 06 and 11 minutes and time is around 25 seconds or 35 seconds, I can say and a half. So you should round this time to half minute. If time is 0611 in seconds going in approximately 45 seconds, you may say just time is 0612. So round to the nearest whole time. Is it clear to you? Umit,
Yes.
is it clear to you? So time should be rounded to the nearest half minute.
But is it necessary to say in the half? It's small time. No.
Yes, necessary.
Is
It's
it necessary?
rules for accuracy. Accuracy is 30 seconds. You know, if your watch shows 0611 and 15 seconds, you may say just 0611. If your watch shows 11 minutes and 25 seconds or 20 minutes, you may say you should say 0611 minute and a half. 0611 and a half. So it's accuracy of the watch. It's aviation.
Okay.
You know? 1 minute is not accurate. A second is impossible.
Yes.
Very difficult seconds. This is why there's a rule. So controller pilot should say when the time check is a half minute also. If your watch will show 0611 45 seconds, you may say 0612. Okay, and when you estimate some time over just passing some time, for example, estimating Tango Mike Delta, the pilot should say just accuracy with the 2 minutes. If there is a accuracy is estimated, the actual time differ from the estimated time 3 minutes or more, the pilot should resend renewed estimated time, new time with the correction.
New time, yes.
Yeah. If time changed for estimated time changed more than 3 minutes, it should be just corrected. Until 2 minutes, it's permissible. Okay.
Okay.
What about? Okay. In Russian also это. Если по условиям полета рано перед расчетом время пролета от часа на 3 минуты более, экипаж сообщает диспетчеру новое уточненное расчетное время. It's a rule.
Да, понял.
Up to 2 minutes, it's okay. 1 minute accuracy is very, very good, excellent. You know, it's good, excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just what's the next time? I think for today it's enough. Next lesson on Thursday, we can continue just with a new lesson, standard phrases, standard locutions, standard words, etc. So now questions. Do you have any questions?
We haven't questions.
Concerning to the lesson. Okay, let's stop our just record and just